In Polk County, COVID transmission is rapidly increasing. Health officials reporting hospitalizations nearly doubled from last week to this week. A trend like this is disturbing to officials because we could see hospitalization levels from November in just 2 weeks from now. And with the state fair starting tomorrow, one health official estimating up to 600 active infections could be present per day.
There's definitely a risk associated with that, but there are just too many variables to assess. It's really hard to tell if they're, the same people are going day after day, what proportion are Iowans, what percentage are truly vaccinated. So unfortunately, I can't assess that.
The predicting models of COVID cases shows a big spike by September 1st. Now, on a positive note, the Polk County Health Department says they have given more than 300 doses in the past days. They are offering incentives. But as Local 5's John Diaz shows, there's lots of reasons people are saying now is the right time to get the vaccine.
Free food and free Iowa State Fair tickets. The latest incentives from the Polk County Health Department.
We knew that there are many different types of incentives that encourage people to get vaccines.
And while incentives are nice, there are other reasons health officials are seeing numbers like this, a positive sign, they say, for vaccination rates.
That meets and exceeds what we had originally planned for this. We know that anyone coming to get vaccinated is one step that we need to take.
So why is now the right time for some people? Well, for Miguel, news of the Delta variant plays a part.
Because I heard about everybody's getting sick and dying, so I didn't want that to happen to me.
The new school year is just around the corner for Fatima.
You have to take your time, know when it's right to get your vaccine. We just decided to get it right now before school starts.
And for Abdel, finding the time has felt nearly impossible.
Because of timing, yes. Only thing about timing, because I'm doing 2 jobs, working from 5 a.m. to 12 a.m. So it's like 16, 17 hours a day.
And while health leaders say more people still should get the vaccine, some recognition from the White House on Iowa's recent progress.
I say kudos to the folks in Iowa who have stepped up these past couple of weeks and gotten vaccinated. We're seeing an uptick in vaccination in Iowa and in many other places as well. It's really notable. I think people are paying attention.
Been getting questions as to why some counties offer incentives and some don't. It comes down to individual county decisions and how they spend federal pandemic relief funds. But it's worth noting some incentives are open to anyone regardless of residency. Stephanie?
All right, John, thank you. Now, just a few minutes, we'll fill you in on what could happen next when it comes to COVID booster shots in case you missed it.